If your neurologist just ordered a VP test and you're wondering if you accidentally signed up for a rave, don't worry. Nobody's handing out glow sticks. I know, flashing lights and brainwaves sounds like a sci-fi club night. But it's really a quick, painless check of how fast your optic nerves deliver messages from your eyes to your brain. Welcome to episode 2 of MS Testing Explained, without the medical degree. Today, the VEP, Visual Evoked Potential. Translation, a speed test for your visual wiring. Here's the headline. VEP helps spot optic neuritis or slowed nerve conduction. It lets doctors see what your brain sees. No crystal ball, no tarot, just timing. Imagine your brain yelling, "Got it," every time a light flashes. The VEP records how long that shout takes to arrive. If it's slow, your optic pathway might be lagging. Synopsis. VEP is a painless speed test for vision signals that helps spot optic neuritis and slowed nerve conduction, so doctors can see timing issues your eyes can't. How it works: brainwaves meet disco lights. You sit in a dim room, look at a checkerboard or flashing screen. A few sticky sensors go on your scalp. No needles, no shaving, just stickers and gel. The computer measures the delay from flash to brain, says, "Yep, saw it." Think of it like sending an email over bad Wi-Fi. If your brain takes longer to open the message, the myelin on that optic nerve might be thinned. Myth busting. Not an eye exam. Doesn't hurt. Doesn't grade how sharp your vision is. It times the communication between your eyes and brain. Process recap. Look at a screen. Sensors record brainwaves. Computer times the signal. Easy, painless, and surprisingly informative. Why it matters for MS. MS loves to mess with the optic nerve, sometimes before you notice anything. VEP can show delayed responses even when your day-to-day vision seems fine. That delay can confirm demyelination or a past optic neuritis you didn't realize you had. It's part of the evoked potentials trio: VEP for vision, SSEP for touch, and an auditory test for hearing pathways. Basically, if your brain's Netflix is buffering, VEP tells the neurologist why. Check-in. If you can, skip contact lenses that day. Tech places electrodes on your scalp. You stare at the screen, blink normally, try not to wiggle. It lasts a few minutes per eye. That's it. Painless, no special prep, and you don't have to ace it. Nobody's judging your eye contact skills. Normal means quick, consistent responses. Your optic nerves are zippy. Delayed means the signal's slowed, maybe past or current inflammation. Doctors can track this over time to see improvements or changes. VEP alone doesn't diagnose MS, but it's a crucial puzzle piece alongside MRI and your symptom story. Yes, flashing lights can expose your secrets, at least to your neurologist. If this helped you see the light about the VEP test, tap like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss episode 3. Drop a comment if you've had a VEP. What surprised you most? The big reveal. So, is the VEP basically a rave? Nope. It's a no-needle, no-pain, slow Wi-Fi detector for your optic nerves. The fastest way to find out if your visual pathway is buffering. And that tiny delay? It can change treatment decisions in a big way. Next up, SSEP, the electric nerve test that's weirdly cool. MS sucks. Laughing helps.